Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we will discuss the seventh poem of your book Kaleidoscope, and the name of the poem is Time and Time Again. And this beautiful poem is written by A.K. Ramanujan. Students, here in this poem the poet describes the theory of difference among religions through the description of clock towers. As the clock towers often tell time differently due to some technical error. In the same way, though all religions are meant to show the same path, they very often misguide people. As the clock towers are believed to be telling the exact time, but all these are defective. So is the case with the religions. To make it more clear, let us read the beautiful poem line by line and let us know its explanation. Or listen to the clock towers of any old well-managed city, beating their gongs round the clock, each slightly of the other's time, deeper or lighter. So students, as you know, the theme of this poem is clock towers symbolizes different religions. So, in these lines, all listen to the clock towers. So, the poet is saying that you just listen to the sounds of the clock towers of any old well-managed city. And he is saying that you can listen the sound of the clock towers of any managed old city. And those clock towers are beating their gongs, and every time you will find there is some difference in the timings of all the towers, and it is just because of the quantity of copper in the clock tower. So as the quantity of copper differentiate in each tower, in each clock, so therefore it is telling the different time in the clock. In its bronze beating out a different sequence each half hour out of the accidents. So due to the quantity of copper, different quantity of bronze, it remains difference, the time remains different of there is difference of half an hour in each sequence. So the poet is saying that every time some sort of mistake remains there in telling the time. Of alloy, a maker's shaking hand in Switzerland or the mutual distances. So the poet is saying that the metal used in the clock, the makers means the person who has made the clock, maybe his hands were shaking at the time of preparing the clock, and as we all know that the watches of the clocks of Switzerland are quite famous. Therefore there is some sort of distance or difference in all the clocks. Let us see the next stanza. Commemorating Adonis' whim, the perennial feuds and seasonal alliance of Hindu, Christian and Muslim cut off sometimes a change of wind. So in this stanza the poet is saying that the donors means the person who had donated the things, they in their memory these differences are being made in the clocks or in the religions, and the conflicts in all the religions remains every time, and only the seasonal alliance means the cooperation remains only for time being. Coordination, cooperation between the Hindus, Muslims, Christians and all other religious people. And this coordination and cooperation change according to the atmosphere. A change of mind or a siren between the pieces of the backstreet quarrel. One day you look up and see one of them, eyeless, silent, a zigzag sky showing. And this change of mind means this change of atmosphere is due to some kind of fear, and or it may be due to the quarrel which is going on in the next street or anywhere, and the quarrel of the religion. And the poet is saying that one day you will look up for the right path, and you will see that blind and zigzag sky showing means, zigzag means the broken sky will be there. It means that all those religious people who pretend to show us the correct path in the religion, they themselves doesn't know how to look clearly. They are showing the correct path to others, which is quite ironical. Now let's see the last lines of the poem. Through the knocked out clockwork, after a riot, a peace march, time bomb, or a precise act of nature in a night of lightnings. Now here in these lines, the poet is saying that you will see through the broken clockwork, the religious rites, religious conflicts, and you will see the peaceful march in which the time bombs have been explosioned. And one more thing, or a precise act means or due to some natural disaster, this all have been done by the nature. This all means these all kind of destructions have been done by the nature. So in these lines, the poet wants to say that the religious conflicts are just happening again and again in the society, and which is being directed by the main important people of the religion. So here the poet wants to say that these people even themselves are not able to see the correct path, so how can they direct other people towards that? So this is all the poem. I hope you all have understood the poem. Read the poem once again so that you will get the meaning of it more clearly. Thank you.